Hello student, in this video we will study classification of algae. So algae are classified into three classes, that is chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. Now these are based on the pigment present in them. The classification based on the pigment, the dominant pigment present in the algae. So chlorophyceae is also called as the green algae, phaeophyceae is called as the brown algae and rhodophyceae is called as the red algae because these pigments are dominant in those algae. Now first group is the chlorophyceae. Now commonly called green algae, they are unicellular, they may be colonial or filamentous. Now pigments present in green algae is chlorophyll A and B. So the dominant pigment is A and B, that's why it gives green color to the habit. Now chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, for example in the Spirogera, or ribbon shape in different species. The chloroplast varies according to the species. Now storage bodies, it consists of pyrenoids which are located in the chloroplast. Pyrenoid contains protein besides starch. So these are the store food present in the chlorophyceae. Some store food in the form of oil droplet. Also they contains oil droplets. Now cell wall is made up of inner layer of cell wall cellulose and the outer layer of cell wall is a pectose. Now vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation or by formation of different types of spores. Asexual reproduction by flagellated zoospore. So zoospore are motile and they are produced in zoosporangia. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Now all three types I have explained you in the previous video. Examples: Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, then Ulva, Chara. Now this Spirogera and Chara is the freshwater algae. Chlamydomonas, Ulva is the marine water, and the Ulothrix, these all are the green algae. You can see the how grass green color to imparted to them. Now you can see here these are the flagella of the Chlamydomonas. This is the Chlamydomonas algae and these are the flagella. Okay. Now this is the plate like chloroplast. Okay. Then this is the volva colonial algae. They may be colonial filamentous such as Spirogera. You can see the spirally arranged chloroplast. This is spiral chloroplast and ribbon shape. So that's why it is name given Spirogera. Now another group of algae is the Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae are also called as the brown algae and are found in marine habitat. They range from simple branch filamentous form, example is Ectocarpus, to profusely branched forms known as the kelps, which may reach a height of 100 meters. So kelp is the largest algae or the largest plant we can say, which can grow up to 100 meters in length. Now pigments present in the Phaeophyceae are chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids and xanthophyll. Although chlorophyll A you will find in all the plants, but the dominant pigment here is the C, carotenoids and C, xanthophyll. That's why it imparts brown color to the algae. They may vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment fucoxanthin present in them. So dominant pigment here is the xanthophyll. Now store food is the complex carbohydrates in the form of laminarin or mannitol. So they have complex carbohydrate present in them such as laminarin and mannitol. The cell wall is made up of cellulosic wall, usually covered on the outside by a gelatinous coating of algin. So हांका एक gelatinous coating असता algin. That's why the agar is obtained from this particular algae. The protoplast contains plastids, a centrally located vacuole and a nucleus. The plant body is usually attached to the substratum by a holdfast. म्हणजे जसे आमकां झाडांक रूट्स असता तशें हांकां ट्रू रूट्स नासता. सो रूट लायक स्ट्रक्चरांक कितें म्हणटा होल्डफास्ट, अँड दीस विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दीस होल्डफास्ट दे आर अटॅच टू द स्टोन्स ऑर द substratum or the ground or the soil, and has a stalk, the stipe, and the leaf-like photosynthetic organ, the front. सो तांच्या लिफाक फ्रंट म्हणटा. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction in brown algae is by flagellated zoospore that are pear-shaped and have two unequal laterally attached flagella. So हांगासर biflagellated पण तांचे flagella unequal असता in length. Sexual reproduction is isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Union of gametes may take place in water or within the oogonium, oogamous species. आता थोडे union of gametes utkan jata because their spores are released in water, or sometimes in the oogonium, that is the female reproductive structure which is attached to the plant body. The gametes are pyriform, that is pear shaped, and bear two laterally attached flagella. दोन flagella त्यांच्या present असतात. Example is Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum and Fucus. I'll show you the images of the algae. Now this is the Laminaria, okay, which can grow up to, it is also called as the, commonly called as the kelp, which is grow up to 100-meter length. But these are not found in our beaches, but you will find in the China, Japan, on those temperate countries. Then Phaeophyce, that is the Ectocarpus. This is the Ectocarpus. This is the Fucus, Dictyota. So you can see two. This is Dictyota. This is the Sargassum, which is commonly found on our beaches. And you can see these are the air bladder. You can see bubbles like so. This is the identifying character of Sargassum. So you can identify this is the Sargassum species, and this is commonly found on our beaches, Sargassum. Now the third type of algae, or the third division of algae, is the Rhodophyceae class. Rhodophyceae. They are also known as the red algae because they consist of dominant red pigment R-phycoerythrin. Now red algae are marine with greater concentration found in the warmer areas. They occur in both well-lighted regions close to the surface of water and also at great depths in the ocean where relatively little light penetrates. So deep ocean as well as in the surface of the water. They are multicellular. Some of them have complex body organization. Store food is a Floridian starch which is very similar to amylopectin and glycogen in the structure. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, or sexual reproduction by non-motile spores, means here flagella are absent. Sexual by non-motile gametes. Sexual reproduction is oogamous and accompanied by complex post-fertilization development. Now examples of Rhodophyceae are Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria and Gelidium. Now this is the Porphyra species which is edible. Now this is the Gelidium and Gracilia from which algin is obtained. They are used as a hydrocolloid, water holding capacity, and they are also used in the preparation of ice creams, jellies. Okay. Now we will summarize the three groups. So we will try to differentiate them, all the three. Now the classes are Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. So Chlorophyceae, commonly called as the green algae, the major pigment is chlorophyll A and B, whereas in Phaeophyceae it is chlorophyll A and C, phycoxanthin. Rhodophyceae, chlorophyll A and D and phycoerythrin. So this is the distinguishing feature using the pigment, we can say. Then Phaeophyceae are called as the brown algae, Rhodophyceae are called as the red algae. Then store food again differs in the different group. In Chlorophyceae it is a starch, in Phaeophyceae it is a mannitol and laminarian, Rhodophyceae it is a Floridian starch. Now cell walls, all the three groups consist of cell wall made up of cellulose, but here they have algin coating in the cell wall in the Phaeophyceae, which is absent in the Chlorophyceae, whereas in Rhodophyceae pectin and polysulfate esters are present. Now flagella number and position of the insertion also varies. Here 2 to 8 equal and apical, here 2 unequal and lateral, and here in the Rhodophyceae flagella are absent. Now habitat Chlorophyceae, they are found in fresh water, brackish water and salt water, means marine water also you will find chlorophyceae. Okay, whereas Phaeophyceae, fresh water, brackish water, fresh water very rarely. Okay, very rarely. So maybe in estuaries you will find. Then brackish water, salt water. Then Rhodophyceae, fresh water sometimes, some very few, brackish water and mostly salt water. That is, they are found mostly in marine water, Rhodophyceae. So I hope you have understood the first group of plant, that is algae. Okay, thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.